Hey y'all, you'll never guess what I'm doing right now. Let me get them out of the way. I took my shoes off and I'm adjusting the buckles on them because they was too wide, so I'm going to take them up some, like this. See, pull that up there and put that in the last hole there. See? There you go. Do the same thing over here. Get it unbuckled. Dang, come on. Now, just pull it up to that last one. There we go. Now it's more narrow, it'll fit right. Oh yeah, that feels a lot better. There. Now what I'm going to do is put a clean pair of socks on. I put a clean pair of socks on every night. Help keep my feet warm. I have to. Well, let's see. We gave the dogs a bath today. My husband did. And I dried them off. They're all nice and clean now, so I petted them real good. Them sweet babies. Love them babies. Well, there really ain't nothing else to tell about. I don't know of anything to tell about. I didn't accomplish anything today. I'll put some dishes up in the cabinet. I put some laundry up, and then I washed the 2 blankets that was on the couch. And me and my husband, we put a clean couch cover on the couch. And I used a shop vac and sucked up all the dust and dog hair out of the living room. Most of the time I use a broom and a dustpan, but today I used a shop vac because it was pretty bad. And then we gave the dogs a bath after that. And then I don't think I did anything. I don't think I did anything really after that. I looked at quite a few videos of embroidery. I've been kind of in the embroidery mood. You know what I did? I'll tell you what I did. Hold on, let me cover up. I'll tell you what I did. I ordered a couple of patterns from, was it Etsy? I think it was Etsy. I ordered a couple of patterns, they're retro patterns. Women's. Women's summer tops. I'm going to try to make a few and see if I can sell them. I'd like to maybe do a little dab of embroidery on some of them. We'll see. We shall see. It sure is lonesome here. My husband went out of town. Somebody is having a party somewhere. So he went out of town for the evening. It sure is lonesome here. I'd like to chat more with some of y'all. But there's not enough privacy on social media. I hear a motorcycle going by outside. Wonder who that could be. I'm lonesome every day. It's hard for me to get out and about around town. Well, I just really don't have anywhere to go. I don't have any reason to get out and go here or there. There's just nowhere to go and nothing to do. So I'm here at this house 24/7, and I need to get out more. Well, I guess I don't have anything else to talk about. If y'all know any stories, tell them to me. I'd like to hear. I appreciate all the nice comments. I really do. wish I could think of a story to tell you. Well, I've lost 71 pounds so far. I'm going to start taking a few things out of this junk room. And I'm going to bag up all my yarn that's in the living room. And get that living room cleaned up and straightened up. And that way I can put better things, different things on those shelves. Use those shelves to make them practical. Put some of my whatnots on them shelves. I like my whatnots. Well, well, y'all tell me something about yourself. I'd like to know something about y'all. I'm looking forward to spring when when we're pretty sure all the freezes are past. I want to grow something. I want to grow some daisies. I love daisies so much. I want to grow some daisies. I've got to get that little mint plant put in a pot. I have 2 pots. I actually have 3, maybe 4, but I've got enough potting soil for two containers. And I'll plant the mint by itself in one. And the reason why I'll plant it by itself is because I Googled it and learned that you don't want to plant anything right next to mint because it spreads out, it's vigorous, and the roots spread out and they'll choke out other plants. That's what it said. So I'll plant that by itself, and then I would like to get some daisies and plant in another pot. I just love daisies. And roses, but but besides roses, daisies are one of my favorites. What's y'all's favorite flower? Tell me. I want to know. Well, I guess that's about it for now, because I really ain't got much to talk about. Other than the fact that I'm just so lonesome all the time. Lonesome all the time. can stay busy during the day. But when the evening comes around, it just gets so lonesome. I feel so alone. Well, anyway, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good evening. Tell me what your favorite flower is. Good night.